1, 2, and twist. Always remember bend and lock. From here, di ba? From here. Then ito. Go forward with lock. And then, another lock. And then bend your right. And another straight. And then, bend again. So it's a bend, lock, lock, bend. Lock, lock, bend. Kuha ko. 5, 6, 5. Narinig ko ba ako? Sa paa, lock, and lock, tapos bend. 5, 6, and let's start with bend. 5, 6, and 7 go, and lock, and bend, and another lock, lock, and bend. Papa. Ready din sa nakakuha?